Hello, my name is Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO of Platinum Real Estate, and today I want to talk about 6 big mistakes that's costing real estate agents thousands and thousands of dollars. Excuse me. See, this is what we have learned right now in the real estate industry with the big National Association of Realtor lawsuit. The buyer side, we have seen a reduction in closings. Why? Because the lawsuit changed the game. So there's less closings, there's less activity for right now on the buyer side. Will the market shift? Will it straighten everything out? Yes, but right now the buyer side's a little slower. So what do I always teach? To list is to last. Again, to list is to last. So you have to list real estate. So I want to talk about 6 mistakes that's really costing real estate agents right now. Cost real estate agents thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, before I go any further, please check out my website, lutherragsdale.com, as well as platinumrealestate.com. And if you like this information, please give me a thumbs up. Okay. 6 huge mistakes that's cost a real estate agent. Let's talk about the 6 topics. First, overpricing the property. Next, poor marketing. Number 3, poor listing copy. Number 4, lack of seller expectation. Number 5, no buyer agency follow up. And number 6, no true strategy. So let's jump in here. Let's talk about 6 things that you as a real estate agent, you just cannot do. Number 1, the pricing strategy. Do not overprice the property just to get the listing. Um, whatever the price is, it is what it is, right? Never overprice the property. Run the comps. Run the comps. Also, a very important thing that I would always recommend is go to Zillow. We fight Zillow, and Zillow have become the god, right? So whatever Zillow prices the property at, it's very, very hard to fight Zillow. Our clients have the Zillow price in their head. Run the comps, check out Zillow. The numbers don't lie. Do not overprice the property. Sometimes agents will get in the competition and one agent will try to get the listing from the next, and so they will overprice the listing. Never ever overprice the listing. Numbers don't lie. Okay, run the comps, check out Zillow. If you have to, contact your broker, but make sure that you know the true numbers. Never overprice the property because the listing will just sit. Next, poor marketing. Agents, listen to me. Do not skimp on the marketing. Okay? Yes, agents take pictures with their cell phone. That's fine. But a professional photographer is even better. A professional video, even better. I love to get the drone to go exterior, all on the roof, when I am putting together my listing presentation. Get professional pictures, professional videos, and pay for that drone. It will help you time and time again to have that drone have the nice video over the property. Use flyers throughout the community. Always have a QR code on your flyer. At Platinum Real Estate, we have partnered with a company called Level Play. And Level Play, in the system, you can have flyers, you can have landing pages. You should have a landing page for each listing that you have. Let me say that again. You should have a landing page for each listing that you have. Then, when you have a flyer, when you send out emails, when you send out text messages, have the QR code send the person back to the landing page. So the landing page is 1234 Elm Street. The property address, that can be the actual URL. in all of your marketing. Send them back to the landing page. Have a QR code. A person takes a picture of the QR code with their phone, goes directly to the landing page. There's a lot of great strategies to market your listing. Okay? Do not skimp on the marketing. Okay? Agents is if you don't have a landing page, you are cheating your seller. If you don't have professional videos, you are cheating your seller. Help your seller with the marketing. Okay? And I mentioned that I always have QR codes on the flyers that send them back to the landing page. Poor marketing is a huge listing mistake. Next, poor listing copy. What do I mean by listing copy? When you are putting the property on the MLS system, the copy is everything. Make the copy shine. Emphasize the kitchen. Emphasize the bathroom. Emphasize all of the best qualities of the property. I love to use ChatGPT. Please make this note. I use ChatGPT when putting together the copy for the MLS. Do not just go in the MLS and just type up something. Use ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT for the copy and make it shine. Sell it. Have a call to action. Put that extra something into the copy on each and every property that you list. Next, lack of seller expectation. When you run the numbers, when you run the comps, know how many days are on the market. Sometimes the market is fast, sometimes that market will slow down. Have proper expectation for your seller. Know the days on the market. Tell your seller, hey, it's taking 60, 90, 120 days. That's the average days on the market. Now, I would definitely inform my seller due to marketing, due to advertising, due to my system, I can help you sell it quicker. My goal is obviously to sell it quicker, but have proper expectations and curb appeal sales. Okay? If the property have poor curb appeal, have proper expectations for your seller. Curb appeal sales. Better the curb appeal, the quicker that property is going to move. You can have a property that needs a little TLC, and you can have all the videos and all the pictures, and the property is probably going to sit longer because of poor curb appeal. So have proper seller expectation. I represent investors all of the time. Some of the investment properties need a little TLC. I always tell my sellers to have proper expectations. This is crucial when you are actually listing a property. Next, no agent follow up. Every agent that shows your property, you should have follow up. I know in Supra and as real estate agents in the Supra system when a person used the Supra box, yes, I get it. Supra always asks for follow up, but many times agents are busy and they're showing several properties. You should get follow up from every single agent that shows your property. This is crucial. Maybe there's something that we can change. Maybe there's something we cannot change. But you want that follow up and it always communicated with your seller. Everybody that goes to that property should receive a personal phone call from you. I know in this day and age, we love text. I know in this day and age, we love email. Nothing wrong with it. But what I teach, that personal phone call after every showing is a absolute must. Email and text just is not enough in this day and age. Next, social media advertising. You are doing your seller a disfavor if you are not advertising your listing on social media. Communicate the full strategy with your seller, and social media must be a part if you're going to have success. And let me start with a powerful YouTube video of the property. A lot of agents miss this. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world right now. So you should have a YouTube video about the property. And that video I would also put on the landing page at Platinum Real Estate. We use Level Play. And what we do is we create a landing page for each and every property um, um, that we list. And then we take a video and we take that video and we put it on the landing page. We take that video, we put it on YouTube. It's very, very powerful strategy when you are using social media to sell your property. Listen, do not make these crucial mistakes when selling the property. Listen, you guys, I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker CEO of Platinum Real Estate. You can learn more about me at lutherragsdale.com. I have workshops, webinars, seminars. Would love to meet you at one of my upcoming events. Check everything out at my personal website, lutherragsdale.com. I also have some great career opportunities if you are a real estate agent and you want to take your career to the next level. At Platinum Real Estate, we provide leads for our real estate agents and we guarantee monthly income every single month. To learn more, check us out, platinumrealestate.com/careers. That's platinumrealestate.com/careers. And if you like this training, please hit that like button. Also, follow me on YouTube. Would love to send you a training every single week. Hey, I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker CEO of Platinum Real Estate. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you, and may God bless you.